Understanding Factory Tuning, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, factory tuning. This term is often used in various contexts, especially related to manufacturing and automobiles. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Let's dive in. Factory tuning refers to the adjustments and settings applied to a machine or vehicle directly at the manufacturing facility. This process ensures that the product meets certain performance standards and specifications before it reaches the consumer. It's all about fine-tuning the product to ensure quality and efficiency. To better understand factory tuning, let's look at some examples. In the automobile industry, factory tuning can involve adjusting the engine settings of a new car for optimal performance. In electronics, devices like smartphones or laptops may undergo factory tuning to ensure they operate correctly right out of the box. Now that you know what factory tuning is, let's see how to use it in a sentence. The car's impressive performance is due to the excellent factory tuning it underwent. This laptop has no issues thanks to the thorough factory tuning at the manufacturing plant. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of factory tuning. It's a phrase that you might come across in various technical contexts, particularly related to manufacturing and product quality. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this explanation useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next one.